Hello, girls. How are you? I'm Miss Trini from Kindera, and today I brought vocabulary words about clothing. Clothes is what you wear and put on every day. For example, today I am wearing a shirt. Before presenting the vocabulary words, we're going to read a poem. The title of this poem is Get Dressed for the Day, and it's now circled in blue. Now we're going to count the stanzas of the poem. This poem has 3 stanzas. Let's circle them. 1, 2, and 3 stanzas. Can you see that arrow? That arrow is pointing where we're going to start reading. Remember, girls, we always read from left to right and up and down. Now we're going to read the poem, and as I read, the vocabulary words are going to be circled in red. Ready? Let's go. Get ready. It's time to go. Get ready. From head to toe. Sun, wind, rain or snow. Look outside and pick your clothes. Put on your dress. That is the first vocabulary word, dress, and it is in the second stanza. Put on your watch. Put on your skirt. Put on your pants. The word pants appears twice in the poem, so that is why 2 circles appeared, but it's the same word, pants. Now we're going to read the third stanza. Put on your shirt. Put on your glasses. Also, the pants can be called trousers. Okay, so now that we have read the poem, we're going to present the vocabulary words. I'm going to say the word once, and then I'm going to count up to 3. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to say the word with me. Okay? Dress. 1, 2, 3. Dress. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Watch. Skirt. 1, 2, 3. Skirt. Pants. 1, 2, 3. Pants. Girls. Also, the pants, as the poem says, can be called trousers. So you can call them either pants or trousers. Both of them are fine. Shirt. 1, 2, 3. Shirt. Glasses. 1, 2, 3. Glasses. Okay, so now that you know the vocabulary words, we're going to read the poem one more time. Get dressed for the day. Get ready. It's time to go. Get ready. From head to toe. Sun, wind, rain or snow. Look outside and pick your clothes. Put on your dress. Put on your watch. Put on your skirt. Put on your pants. Put on your shirt. Put on your glasses. Also, the pants can be called trousers. Okay, so today I brought a friend with me. That friend is Wally. Do you want him to appear? Okay, so let's call out for Wally. Wally! There he is, Wally. Hello. Oh no, he's gone. Let's call out for him a little bit louder. Wally! Okay, hello, Wally. How are you? Oh no, he's gone again. I think we have to call them really loudly. Okay, so let's count up to 3 and call for him very loud. 1, 2, 3, and Wally! Oh, there he is. Hello, Wally. How are you? Today, Wally wants to hide behind the flashcards. So, we're going to count up to 3 to Wally, for Wally to hide. Okay? 1, 2, and 3. Bye-bye, Wally. Okay, so where might Wally be? Let's see. Can Wally be under the dress? Let's see. Wally is behind the dress. Oh no, Wally's not behind the dress. Wally is behind the shirt. No, Wally's not behind the shirt. Wally is behind the, let's see the skirt. Wally is behind the skirt. No, Wally's not behind the skirt. Maybe the glasses? Let's see if Wally is under the glasses. Wally is behind the glasses. There he is. Very good, Wally. But Wally wants to play a little bit more, so let's count up to 3 for him to hide. 1, 2, 3. And bye-bye, Wally. Okay, so where might Wally be? Let's see. Maybe under the watch. So let's say Wally is behind the watch. No, Wally's not behind the watch. Maybe the pants or the trousers. Let's see. Wally is behind the pants. Yes, there he is. Very good. We found him. But Wally wants to play one more time. So let's count up to 3. 1, 2, and 3. Bye bye, Wally. Let's see. Where is Wally? Let's think. Maybe under the skirt. Let's see. Wally is behind the skirt. No, maybe the shirt. Wally is under the shirt. No, it's not behind the shirt. One more time, maybe the dress. Wally is behind the dress. Yes, there he is. Very good. You're excellent players. Girls, if you want to play looking for Wally a little bit more, you can do it at home with the Wally that you have and the vocabulary flashcards. Okay, so play as many times as you like. Bye bye. A kiss for everybody.